feel and the done over there is nothing. When
We can cut right.
Yeah.
And change the shot.
Ready? I need to stay on script. Because we don't want to miss nothing. Not one thing. Let's go.
My shoes dry rat.
We are talking about no, I need shoes. I need shoes. Me talk of the script.
No, you say no miss.
I say I don't want to miss nothing. Not really the behind the scenes. Me not talk of the script.
Alright.
We don't want to miss nothing. Zip it. Is it? My ankle. Which office nice you got in here? On the landline. Which office that nice you got in here? Cause when
You know the office?
after I'm the second time I come here now.
So you don't remember the office?
Which office?
We are going to go. Mr. Esperanza.
But I never hear some walk.
Yeah.
Oh. Makes sense.
Howdy.
So you don't remember?
No, I remember, but I never hear such. You must see a point, so I wonder which office. Come on, office.
But I'm talking about that, you know.
So you can play a piano, Tony? Tony Esperanza, can you play piano? What's your salt? Tony, I play piano. I went the back side of going. Anyways.
Yeah. We provide that any other work.
I kill the people, I kill them dead. I joke, I just character shot.
No, it used to be the truth.
How
3 years. Best job.
about for real?
Are we gonna chitty chat or are we gonna do this?
We're waiting.
Oh, I so I'm just going chitty chat then. Talk about life.
301.
Miss Perez.
See that 301
Miss Perez.
and Miss Luna Puluna has to leave.
Miss Perez is gonna.
Miss who?
Paris.
You couldn't just let me just long. Yeah. She's gonna do some examinations. I think
An autopsy.
hopefully the camera won't get scared, you know. Yeah, that's true.
Alright, cameraman scared. Which is it?
I'm gonna get the camera.
You saw him a taxi, man?
The camera some rum, you know.
Yeah.
You can do it like that, come on time.
Wow.
I see she has a free pass to come here now.
She never need no pass to come here. I still my youth mother. And we have to interact.
I don't care what kind of act you don't want to do. That's not my business.
Mr. Trevor Sullivan?
Yeah, come in.
Go to her.
Wagwan. You never tell me say happen.
I need to talk to you.
Something happen?
I got my come to find out first. Kamisha tell me say, I have her here at
see me and come to me same time. Then a daddy this. Okay. Eh? Now your daddy this. Eh?
Yeah.
Where you grow up by the way? Where you really depend?
I don't know.
Start with him.
No, I don't understand. Nah, where you grow up? You just go so bum 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 bum.
I don't know.
What you do to your face now? Let me hear that story. What you do?
I want me.
All about you, where you cook? Fry egg?
Yeah.
Water did not the oil.
No.
The stove they turn up too high.
Yeah.
I bet you say the last time the oil turn up, the stove turn up high. So son, you establish already? Or you never need to establish? Establish the graveyard.